How to view sent friend request on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can view and cancel all the friend requests that you have sent and has not been accepted on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To see the friend request that you have sent, you can open the Facebook app, come to the friends icon. Here you can see friend requests. Now these are the requests that you have received, but you want to find the request that you have sent. Now for that, on the friend request tab, you can just tap the see all option here, and when you tap the see all option, again these are the friend requests that you received. But what you want to do here is at the very top right hand side you can see three dots icon. When you tap the three dots icon, at the bottom you will find the option called view sent request. So now when you tap the view sent request option, if there are any sort of friend requests that you have sent to other people, now you will be able to see them, and if you want you can just tap the cancel option in order to cancel those particular friend requests. This way you will be able to go ahead and then cancel your friend request or send friend request on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.